Okay, gang, I'm back. Just a brief review. I'm not sure whether the other portion of this video was saved. So anyway, there we go. See, can you see that? Good old never give up. Never give up. All right. The unboxing. Okay. I've done this once already. There are 3 Phillips head screws that come out. This pulls off. What I realized yesterday, this is where you fill your oil. It takes just about 1/2 quart of oil. And what I realized after making a mess, the best way to fill this puppy is to tilt it on its side and then take your funnel and oil and fill her that way. If you try to do it here, this little, if you can see it, let me bring it over. Let's see. This lip faces down. I think it's a design flaw. They should have put it up a little bit. God only knows. Anyway, I made a mess. It overflowed, or even trying to pour it in there. It dripped down, went over my rag, but there is a drain hole down below, and everything went well. Next time I'll know better. In the beginning, I couldn't find what type of oil they recommended to use. They do recommend to check your oil every 8 hours, and there's conflicting information. On the inside, page 2, tells you fuel type, 87 plus octane, and uses fuel stabilizer. Fuel capacity, 1 gallon. Type of oil to be used, 10W40. Capacity, they say 13 fluid ounces. Now, further down here on page 8, it says use 10W30. So that's conflicting, but I already had some 1030, so there you go. Probably want you to use the 1040 in summer, a little thicker. It comes with a few tools, alligator clips, and that's that. So, Phillips screwdriver, spark plug, wrench. So that's that. I struggled with putting the cover back on yesterday. Doing that yesterday took me about 4 minutes to get those clips in properly. So as you saw, I tilted it up and saw the excuse me, clips go in. I put in 1 full gallon of gasoline into it. Okay. Let's see. Where am I pointing you? Let's see. I'm going to try to switch the camera around. Let's see. Yeah, that feature is just not here. I had a Nexus that I ruined, left it out in the rain, and it was so much easier to use. On the other hand, it was like I bought it secondhand for $150. This Samsung Jet something Pro cost about $110. So what do you expect? Let's see. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna... All right. All right. It says off, run, and start. So what you want to do is move this to start. Start. Then you have a little off, on throttle. It has a breather. I sure wish I could figure out how to switch this around for you guys. But anyway, let's see. Let me see if I can get you there. Okay, now check this out. I hope you can see it. I'm just gonna watch. Ha! When I started it right out of the box yesterday, the same thing happened. One pull and that little baby started up. That's fantastic. That's something you would expect with a Honda, and I believe the Honda is 2 or 3 times more expensive. So the old Chinese, they cloned it pretty well, I'm thinking, and so I bought it before the tariffs by our fearless leader put into place. So anyway, there's my review of the Predator 2000 inverter generator. I'm happy as a clam. Now I have the generator. I have 400 watts of solar with 2 AGM batteries I revived from my buddy's wheelchair. I have another video about that, reviving the batteries. I'm gonna redo those too. I'm becoming more active, trying to get my channel up and running. Anyway, thanks for your time, checking in, and for now, take care and be safe. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Check the bell. I'm going to start pumping these videos out Coming up is my newly ordered over Amazon Coleman grill burner stove. Later. The end.